And so I just tried that for a few months and I felt like I had this experiment that worked really well. Like it doubled or tripled how much I was making off AdSense.
Shelby Church, 1.6 million subscribers at the point of recording this video. I've noticed that she's been talking a lot recently about all the different ways that she makes her money as a YouTuber and the many ways that she's investing her earnings to turn it into even more money in the future. And as this channel exists to provide money tips to creators, I thought it would be a good idea to run through a supercut of all the different insights she's given recently.
So yeah, it's mainly, I would say brand deals are the biggest part of that. That would be like YouTube and Instagram. AdSense is probably close number 2. And kind of affiliate links I've found, especially for business types of products like stock trading apps, the affiliate links pay significantly more. That can become a significant part. I want to do a course somewhere, I think on Skillshare, because I like how you can put it on Skillshare and people can get it like kind of for free, but you get paid more than if it was on YouTube. And then more recently starting the Airbnb project. We'll see how much that makes.
So right off the bat, Shelby's demonstrating that she has lots of different ways that she's currently making money. It's super important as a creator to not rely on one income source. So the fact that she's using AdSense, brand deals, affiliate links, selling courses, and even branching out to owning an Airbnb is a really great move for Shelby. But Shelby having all those income streams wasn't always the case, and it's something she's developed over time. For a bit more info, let's watch this.
I did know actually when I started that you could make a bit of money from it, but I never thought it would be more than like $30 a month. Like I was like, it'll be like $100 would be cool. And then when it really changed is when people got managers. And so when people started doing brand deals, I realized, oh, people can really live off of this. I was making videos under 10 minutes long. And then I had recently learned, I think from Graham Stephan, that if you add another ad and make it longer, that it'll do a lot better. And so I just tried that for a few months and I felt like I had this experiment that worked really well. Like it doubled or tripled how much I was making off AdSense.
So Shelby covered a few things in these last couple of clips. First off, how monumental adding brand deals was into her business as an online creator. Before that, she was making money just off AdSense, which doesn't pay a great deal. And I always recommend that creators try and move away from just relying on AdSense as quickly as possible, which Shelby did with brand deals. But Shelby did also find a way to increase her ad revenue by making her videos longer and passing that 8-minute threshold. Now in 2021, YouTube allows you to add even more ads into your videos, which is going to make you more money from having those additional ads. And here's what Shelby thinks about the potential for anyone to become a creator and make money off YouTube.
You also do some angel investing.
Oh yeah, I just started doing that.
I was curious to hear about that. I know you're featured as an investor in Creative Juice. How did that, like, how do you feel about investing as a creator? Like, what's your take on that?
I've always thought, or not always, but more recently thought that was kind of like the future of brand deals. Like, doing a product placement type of thing in exchange for equity, because it really incentivizes you to work with brands you like love. Yeah, so I like that idea, and I've noticed different brands where I'm like, I would totally like invest in them, especially if it's early. And now companies are kind of down for that.
Yeah.
Are you suggesting it, or are companies coming to you with those proposals?
Some are coming to me with it, but some I'm like, I would be down for it. But I don't know. I think Public I just did a brand deal with, and I really like that stock trading app.
Now she's talking about the fact that she's also getting into angel investing, which is where you put your money into a project like an external business in the hopes that that business will do successfully, make lots of profits, and you get a cut of the profit. This is a great way of making passive income. You don't have to do anything. You just put money up front and invest it into something, and if all goes well, you're making your profits back in the future. I can see a lot of creators harnessing this money-making income source in the future, and I think it is a business model that is going to become meshed in with the creator economy in the next 2, 3, 5 years. So Shelby is a great example of how you can create and manufacture multiple different income sources as a creator, and then how you can make all of that revenue that you've gathered and entrepreneurially pull it back into opportunities that are going to make you even more money in the future. For Shelby in particular, brand deals has been a really fundamental part in her creating her wealth as a creator. It's something I've not really explored much and I need to look into more often. And as an aspiring creator yourself, I don't think you should be sleeping on brand deals.